Hi, I'm Keith Bledsoe, and I'm the owner here at Smoky Mountain Traders. I personally go out and buy the best cars on the market for you, our customer. Please give us a call with any questions you may have.
Hey everybody, it's Devin with Smoky Mountain Traders. I hope you're having an amazing day. Today we're going to be bringing you this 1971 Dodge Challenger RT. Now this car comes with the original broadcast sheet and it's had a complete rotisserie restoration. Now if you got any questions on it, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088 or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Now I'm going to take you around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of it, and then we'll get it up on a lift and out on the highway as well. As you look across the front, you'll notice this front bumper looks like it's brand new. All of the grille is in excellent condition along with the headlights. It'll also give you the opportunity to look down the driver's side and you can see these body lines flow flawlessly here from the front all the way to the rear. Now as you come around the driver's side, you'll notice that this bright red paint is accented by the black RT stripes as well as the black vinyl top. Now before we go on around, I want you to come on up and we'll take a look here at the interior. On the inside it's done in black, which is the factory option and complements the exterior two-tone color combination beautifully. As we look across the dash, you'll see we've got the wood grain accent around the gauges, which ties into the steering wheel perfectly. Now you'll also notice that the dash pad is in excellent condition and we got the factory styled radio. Now as you come on around, you can see we got the wood grain accents here in the door panels, which are in phenomenal condition, along with the seat covers. You can also see that we've got the center console here with the bucket seats and that it has the wood grain accents as well. As we finish up, you can see the carpet and the headliner are all beautiful in this car also. Now that we've been on the inside, we'll continue around the outside. You can see how excellent that door shuts and fits. As we come across the back, you'll notice that this rear bumper is just as gorgeous as the front, and that the rest of your taillight lenses and your stainless is stunning on this Challenger. You'll also notice that we have the dual tips, and as you look down the passenger side, you'll see we got the fast fuel cap, and you can see that this body is straight as an arrow. As you come on around the passenger side, you can notice that this car has had one of the most impressive restorations you'll ever see. The body on it is absolutely stunning with excellent gaps and panel fit, and the bright red paint has been buffed and polished to a gorgeous shine that's set off by these 15-inch Magnum 500 wheels with the Firestone wide oval tires. Now if you want to come on up, we'll take a look under the hood of this Mopar. As you can see, it's got a gorgeous detail and that it does feature the matching numbers 383 engine that's dressed just like it would have been when new in '71. It has the factory style valve covers along with the factory style air cleaner, and you'll also notice that this car does have factory AC along with power steering. Now this car does have the fender tag and we have verified the cowl and radiator support numbers do match. And before we get this car out on the highway and up on a lift, I want you to really look at the detail and the time and effort that was spent to make this engine bay look as impressive as it does. Now that we've been around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of this RT, we'll get it put up on a lift so that way you can take a close look at this rotisserie resto. Once there, we'll get it out on the highway for you as well. Remember, if you got any questions, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088. or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Let's get this Challenger up on a lift and then we'll get it out on the road for you. Now that we have this 71 Challenger up, we can take a closer look at the impressive job that they did with this rotisserie resto. As you can see, the eye for detail is amazing and that the floors and frame are painted body color and polished to a stunning shine. You can also see that it's got the correct markings like it would have when new. Under the front, you'll see that everything looks brand new and that the matching numbers 383 engine is mated to the numbers matching 727 trans that goes out back to the 8 3/4 inch rear end with 323 gears. Now for exhaust, it has manifolds with dual exhaust and resonators. As you can see, it has a brand new gas tank installed along with new fuel lines and brake lines. Now before we get this 71 on the highway, let's make sure that we take a closer look at the gorgeous job they did with all of the details to make this one of the nicest Challengers you'll ever see.
Thanks for visiting us at SmokyMountainTraders.com. If you're ever in East Tennessee, stop by and check us out.